Question 3 is asking us to answer these as entire surds. That means that our answer has to have all numbers underneath the square root symbol. The only thing is we like to leave any negatives out the front. So I'll show you how that works. When you've got a surd multiplied by a surd, you're allowed to multiply the numbers that are within the square root symbol. So this is really the same as saying the square root of 5 multiplied by 6, or the square root of 30. Over here, don't forget there's actually a little imaginary 1 here. Well, not imaginary, there's really a negative 1 here. Okay, so we can't forget this negative, but we're going to leave that out. That means that what we're going to have is we're going to have the negative square root of 7 times 11, which is the negative square root of 77. And then when we jump down here, to make these entire surds, I'm going to need to get this in here. Okay, now remember, in order for it to escape the square root symbol, it has been square rooted. So to get it in there, we're going to have to square it. Okay, so 4 squared is 16. So this will become the square root of 16 when that jumps in, multiplied by 2, okay, which is the square root of 32. And then when we move on, we've got negative 5 over here. We're going to leave the negative outside, okay, and I want to get that 5 in here. So remember, in order for it to escape, it was square rooted. So when we put it back in, we're going to square it. So 5 times 5 is 25, multiplied by 3. That's this 3 here. So the answer will be negative square root of 75.